Video on sealing up a leaky sunroof. There's way too many videos about cleaning out these holes. I think we only need like one or two of those videos. But what happens is that the seal around, the rubber seal around the glass, I think it shrinks a little bit. And I was getting a huge leak on this, and I just took the sunroof off. It's just 6 little 8mm screws in here. And there's other videos explaining that, so I'm not going to do that. But the key is what I did last year, and it worked, but with the issue is I used, this is Gorilla Glue with this huge tape, thick tape on the back, and I put it on 3 sides of here, and it completely stopped the leaking, and the sunroof still worked. But the Gorilla Glue has this issue that this is really way too thick. This is probably good for like leaky gutters or something. So I'm getting a tape I got at a Home Depot. I think it's Nasha or whatever. It's thinner, and I've already looked at it a little bit. It's way thinner on the sticky tape inside. I'm gonna give that a try. So what I'm doing is it just increases the I'm gonna put it on 3 sides of this, my ladder slip, and it should increase the thickness by just that, you know, whatever that is, like 1/16 or 1/32 of an inch thickness on the rubber piece on the glass to make it so it doesn't seal. And I did this at record rain last year and no leaks, but that Gorilla, that white sticky stuff never really hardens, and so it was leaking out. I mean, it was squishing out, and it was actually, the tape was kind of shifting. So I'm going to avoid that one and give it a shot, and I'll leave a comment on my video if it works.